Hello, bonjour, it's Laura here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert between grams to moles using the conversion fraction method. So I've got a question written up here. It says, how many moles of propane are present in 96.1 grams of propane? And we've got a formula for propane as well, C3H8. So first thing we need to do, of course, is figure out what is given in the question and what information is needed. So when you read this, how many moles of propane, that means we need moles of propane. And then how many moles of propane are present in 96.1 grams of propane? That means we're given grams of propane. So we have specifically 96.1 grams of propane. Okay, so we need to convert between grams to moles. Now, is there enough information in this question right now? The answer is no. We can't just randomly convert from grams to moles. We actually need to know, like, how many grams does 1 mole of propane equal? And luckily, we have the periodic table, and we actually know how much 1 gram or 1 mole of propane would weigh. So what we do is calculate the molar mass of the propane. And we can do that using the formula for propane. So we know that we have 3 carbons, and then if you look at the periodic table, 1 mole of carbon weighs 12.01 grams. Okay, that's the number below the symbol on your periodic table. So no matter what, if we've got the formula for a compound, we can figure out how much it weighs or what its mass is. All right, so then we'll do the same thing for hydrogen. We've got 8 hydrogens in propane. And then you look at the mass of 1 mole taken from the periodic table. 1 mole of propane weighs 1.008 grams. Okay, so then when you add all of that up, you should get 44.09 grams. And that is how much 1 mole weighs. So it's grams per mole of C3H8. And I don't need to write a 1 in front of the mole. That is just understood, but that means that 1 mole of propane weighs 44.09 grams. Okay, so you should pause here and make sure that you're getting the same answer as me. If you're not, you check and see how you're typing this into your calculator. If you're not typing in brackets, you'll be having some order of operation problems here. So make sure that you type in the brackets as well as all of the numbers and the operations. All right, so let's keep going here. Now that we've got that molar mass information, we should be able to convert easily. So I'll write my given, which is 96.1 grams propane. I'm going to multiply that by a conversion fraction, and then I should end up with moles. So, same as all of the other conversion fractions, I want to get rid of the grams. I want to cancel out grams. I want to be left with moles. So that means I need to have grams diagonal from the grams of the first number here, and then I want moles to be on top because that's what I want to end up with. So then the numbers that I put in front of these in my conversion fraction come from the molar mass now. So they come from this. So there's an understood 1 in front of the mole, so 1 goes here, and then 1 mole in front of the grams should be 44.09. So then you can do that calculation. So that's going to be 96.1 times 1 and then divided by 44.09. And you should end up with, let's see, let's do our calculation here. I think I'm getting 2.18 moles of propane. So that's the conversion fraction method of converting between grams to moles.